Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about wild edible mushroom. So we start the session. The first mushroom is Rugla mushroom. Rugla is a local name in Jharkhand and Odisha. Stress hygrometrics, you can observe that local people, particularly tribal, they collect from their nearby forest areas and they consume in rainy season. You can observe another important fact about Rugla mushroom, it is one of the major cause of forest fire in some region as these mushrooms grow very well in burnt areas. And you can observe where it is a burnt areas where Rugla mushroom is growing. Another part of Rugla mushroom that it has an economic value, a very good amount get from it. Rugla in local market cost about 350 to collection from the forest floor. One lady, she is selling the Rugla mushroom, someone purchasing, and this is the delicious food. Rugla is washed well before cooking to remove the coating of soil. People make curry from it and enjoy it with rice or roti. We also enjoyed, we collected from forest areas, we cooked. Now, the another important aspect of it has medicinal values. You can observe spore of rugla in coconut oil and the paste and wood. You can observe the paste applied. Another mushroom is a straw mushroom. It's edible both cultivated and wild. You can observe that people used to say times on the road near highway you can observe and this is the food. Another mushroom is Amanita cajaria. It's edible local name Picha Chattu in Odisha. So you can observe collection from wild. The local people they are collecting. You can observe. I tried to show using this illustration their growing pattern, how they grow in forest. This is the another Amanita species, edible mushroom. It is known as Manda Chattu and Bhanu Chattu. And you can observe people used to collect it from the forest and they consume as a food. Rhamnotomyces haymi. So in these three photographs, you can observe first, second cooking process, and third is a food. So it's very useful to get the food security in tribal areas. We should learn from them how they sustain, okay, uh, how they depend on the forest for food and medicines. You can observe its economic values. People used to collect some stakeholders, they purchase from tribal people and again they used to sell them. Rhamnotomyces medi another edible mushrooms, white a tribal lady, she is collecting from the wild. It is the Trametomyces clepetus. You can observe it is associated with some Dioscorea species. This is the Trametomyces microcarpus. Very tasty, delicious wild mushroom. You can observe here, it grow in group or cluster in this near the root of bamboo stumps associated with termite nest and sometimes associated with Soria robusta or sal. This or patrochantu. It is again a wild edible mushroom. So you can observe here, this is the Jamu Chatu Boletus edulis. This is the Ternalia. It is also edible. Here you can observe the economic values of mushroom. It is a livelihood of local communities, tribal communities. They collect from the forest. They used to sell them. So it is an important non-timber forest produce. The economic values. Here you can observe we are discussing with we are about the ecology of those wild mushrooms, from where they collect, what are the situation, what are the landscape. Here you can observe sometimes they collect and they dry them. After drying, they make the powder and the powder. So thank you very much. Here we discussed about different types of wild. After discussion, we can know that it could be a agent against the food insecurity. We can get the protein, we can go for the value addition, we can get a easy food, but we have to protect our forest, we have to conserve our forest to get the mushroom in sustainable way. Thank you very much.